Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. We got a kind of another overdue mail call. I'm way behind on my mail calls. I'm going as fast as I can to get them caught up. This one is actually from Scrapman50. He said he was putting another package together for me. So, let's take a peek at it and see what we got. I have no idea, as usual. These are pretty much surprises, other than the fact that he does send me an email telling me he's sending me stuff. So, let's see if we can get in this booger. Alrighty, we have a little letter. It says, "Hi Dino, it's been a while since I've sent you another care package. Scrapping has been a little light since all this lockdown crud has been going on, but I've managed to throw a few things together to keep you busy for a few more days. Enclosed you'll find the usual items, some gold-plated pins, silver contacts, and the usual other surprise items I toss in a box just to make it interesting. It's been a while since I've seen a new video from your channel, so I thought this package might help out. Enjoy the contents. As usual, it's for your channel, and I don't need anything from you except maybe a shout out, which you are getting, my friend. And you're also getting something I'm making right here that I owed you from a long time ago that you asked me for. That is in the process. I'll show you that much. That's it. But anyway, I've been working on that as I can. I've just been having to do a lot of house repairs, guys. I'm sorry. I've been a little behind on everything. The only time my channel sees activity is right after you post a video. How's that copper skull coming along? Laugh out loud. It was in my hand just now. Take your time. Seriously. Anyways, great videos. I'm looking forward to seeing more of them. Stay safe. Scrapman50. Well, you too, my friend. Thank you again for the package. And let's see what he has sent us this time. That's got to go in my safe with my letters. It's always a surprise. Always a surprise. I see some, I think those are copper knockouts from heat sinks. That's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. I see a few of those in there. Yeah, those are heavy too. There's another one. Or something. I don't know what that is. That looks like it might have been a filter or something. I don't know what that bugger was from. And we got a little bottle that's got some stuff in it. Looks like some scrap, possibly some scrap silver or silver plate. I'm going to have to look at all that. I will have to, looks like sterling. And silver plated contact terminals. And liquid silver pen dried. I've never messed with any of that. That's going to be interesting to play with, see what it does. So we will put these in here. I believe this was all sterling here. I don't know about the chain, but I'll have to test everything and check it anyway. Thank you for that, my friend. Let's see what else we've got. I am seeing, that is one heck of a magnet. Oh my goodness. I don't know what that came off of, but man, that is a monster magnet right there. Wow, those things are like 3/8 of an inch thick. Holy cow. Let me stick it over here on my safe. It's pretty cool. We have what looks like a question mark all over it, like a Roman. Looks like Roman coins. This is junk silver, a damaged Merc. I can actually see the date, 1941. We'll have to check this guy out and see what he is. And we got, oh cool, some Mylars. Looks like cut up keyboard Mylars, silver Mylars. That is awesome. I'm starting to get a bunch of these. We're going to probably do a video on these not too long from now, I hope, because I actually already have a bunch of these put back, and now I've got a bunch more to add to that. So thank you for that, sir. And this is another coin of some kind. A couple of what looks like to be processors. Yep, a couple processors to throw in the processor box for the next processor guy or processor reserve. These are copper heat sinks. Cool, with the nickel removed. The nickel plating has been removed from those, I believe. More copper to melt. And a whole lot of, looks like hard drive pins. Mostly hard drive pins. Now we'll add that to the pin collection. Some more processors. And now this is an older laptop mouse pad. The old ones are this full gold plate like that. Now sometimes you get these when you're taking them and when you put them in your AP. Some of them you'll get foils, but most of the time, even with these, you just end up with a super fine black powder, but it's still a full plate board, so that is always a good thing. And I've seen these boxes before. It says pull to open, and this is probably another one of those little monster copper bars. And yep, another beauty copper bar. Really cool. So he has now sent us a total of 1, 2, oops, and 3 of those copper bars. I don't know where he got the boxes for these, but that is awesome. That is just awesome. So thank you, my friend. I greatly appreciate this. I will research these 2 coins and see what I can find out about them. These, for now, I'm going to just put in the pin bin until we're ready to do some pins, and I'll check out the rest of that silver. And this copper will go naturally in the copper bin. Thank you very much, Scrapman50. Guys, if you're not subscribed to Scrapman50, I'll put a card up here, and also his channel will be in the description area. So, thank you again, my friend. As always, I appreciate it. Your little surprises and gifts are always welcome. Gotta get this back up here with my copper and the new one. There we go. Absolutely awesome. My little copper shelf is getting filled up. Thanks for the Mylars, buddy. I will put those in with the rest of the Mylars, and I'd like to get, when I get up to like a few pounds of these, then we'll do them, so then we'll get a decent return on them. Once again, Scrapman50, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate this. You don't have to do this. I know you do it out of the goodness of your heart, and I really do appreciate it. I'm going to try and get some more videos out as soon as I get my chores done. I've got some siding to replace on the house. I replaced the posts on the porch already. So we're moving along anyway, and I have to do things. The bummer is I just got to do everything really slow. So anyhow, guys, I'm going to try and get, I've got some fingers that have been out there forever because I haven't had a chance to do anything with them. I've actually started a kilo of ram fingers a long time ago, and I haven't even barely been out there to stir them. So I'm actually going to try and get that video finished up. I got it started, and I'm going to try and get that finished up and show you what we get out of that kilo of ram fingers. Anyway, guys, Scrapman50, thanks again, and we will see you all in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.